Everyone, Mr. T at Crossmaster in La Mulata, just across from the mini market. They got some new cool things here. They got these little quad bikes for kids, and if I put my foot there, you may get an idea just how small they are. So if you got like a 3-year-old to 8-year-old, they can probably get on these things, train them how to use them. They've also got something else cool, so let's just go inside here. There's obviously a range of different motorbikes and big enduros like this. But the latest thing that caught my eye was electric bikes, 100% electric. You see this thing here, pretty cool. Now let me just move around it here. And for $2,500, you can shoot around on this 100% electric bike. And there's one more over here. I'll just swing the camera. You got all sorts of things from trail bikes to motocrosses here, and scooters and street bikes. But for delivery, you have this cool electric bike here, which is a Sosua delivery version, Jeff 12,000. Okay, the price of that is $2,600. And you can deliver whatever it is you need to deliver around town. It's a pretty cool thing. And if you want something with some serious grunt, then you jump over to these machines here. Anyway, just wanted to cover that. And he's got lots of parts for motorbikes, motocrossing, and oils, lubes, other things. And there's a repair shop at the back. Anyway, have a super day. Over and out.